Ryobi battery chargers use a simple red and green light system to show exactly what your battery is doing. When you plug the charger into the wall, a steady red light usually means the charger has power and is ready. Once you insert a battery, a flashing green light typically indicates that charging is in progress. When the battery reaches full capacity, the green light turns solid, letting you know it's ready to use. On some newer models, you may notice the green light gently fading in and out after charging is complete. That's normal, it means the charger has entered energy saving or maintenance mode to preserve battery health. If you see unusual light patterns, the charger is signaling a problem. A flashing red light often means the battery temperature is outside the safe charging range. If it's too hot from recent use, let it cool down. If it's too cold, bring it indoors and allow it to reach room temperature before trying again. Sometimes a flashing red light also appears when the battery is deeply discharged and the charger is slowly bringing it back to a safe voltage. If both red and green lights flash together, this may indicate a defective battery or charger. Remove the battery and firmly reinsert it, making sure it clicks into place. If the issue continues, test the charger with a different battery. If the second battery charges normally, the original battery is likely faulty. If there are no lights at all, check the power outlet and confirm the battery is fully seated. Dirty terminals can also interrupt charging, so gently clean the contacts with a dry cloth.